The pistol we'll be working on today is a Springfield Armory TRP operator. It has a full-length guide rod and a full-length dust cover, which many people say complicates disassembly, but as you'll see, it remains a simple exercise. The first step in disassembly of any firearm is to ensure the magazine is removed from the weapon. Next, rack the slide several times to eject any chambered round. Visually inspect the empty chamber, then pull the trigger to dry fire the weapon. This ensures there is no live ammunition present. To begin disassembly, cock the hammer with your thumb. Push the slide back until the disassembly notch aligns with the slide stop, and remove the slide stop from the pistol. Release the slide assembly and slowly remove it from the frame. At this point, you can pause to clean the interior of the frame. To further disassemble the slide assembly, we'll need a simple tool. It's made from a paper clip bent at a 90-degree angle. Use your thumb to push the spring-loaded guide rod out the front of the slide, and insert your tool in the takedown hole to lock the guide rod in place. Push the guide rod toward the rear of the slide and remove it along with the captive spring and reverse plug. This assembly should rarely be taken apart. To remove the barrel from the slide, simply rotate the barrel length forward and slide the barrel out the front of the slide. Your 1911 is now completely field stripped. Use this opportunity to thoroughly clean the barrel and the slide. Reassembly of the pistol is simply a reversal of the previous steps, with a few new tricks to smooth the process. First, slide the barrel back into the slide, making sure it locks firmly into the slide lugs. Next, reinsert the guide rod assembly. Note that the groove in the head of the guide rod goes against the barrel in this step. Push the assembly out the front of the slide until it stops. Then, using thumb pressure, remove the paperclip tool and slowly release the guide rod until it hits the barrel link. Align the frame rails with the slide grooves to reattach the slide assembly. At this point, you will often note that the slide stop hole is not perfectly round because the barrel link is occluding part of the hole. Pulling the slide a few millimeters to the rear usually allows the link to clear. Now most people simply use brute thumb strength to reinsert the slide stop, but you'll have better luck depressing the plunger pin with a small screwdriver or Allen wrench. It may take more than one try, but it keeps you from accidentally scratching the gun's finish if the slide stop slips out of place. Once the slide stop is partway in, pull the slide back until the disassembly notch aligns, and push the pin home. Rack the slide a few times to ensure the weapon is cycling smoothly. If you own snap caps or other dummy ammunition, cycle a few rounds through the action to ensure that it functions correctly. If all is well, you have completed reassembly of your 1911 pistol. Make sure to clean the workbench when you're done. Cleanliness is next to godliness.